В этой серии собираем стеклопластиковый кузов на пространственную раму.
A wise man once said, to wake up, you gotta go to sleep.
There's no more rules to break. You made all of your mistakes, yeah. You had a choice to make, and you made another bad decision. There's no more rules to break. You made all of your mistakes, yeah. No need to calculate the sum of all your bad decisions.
Voices in my head, choices in my bed. I should be rolling out, but I'm rolling up instead. Plans out the window, somebody's at the door. Patterns on the ceiling, bodies on the floor. Socks in a sock drawer, drawer in my sock. I'm going all out, are we all in a what? Same old story, every bloody weekend. Sunday I'm on a wave, Monday I'm in the deep end. Right, who wants what? I want one, you want one, and you want one. 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. We might as well get a Henry. Quick math.
And you made another bad decision. There's no more rules to break. You made all of your mistakes, yeah. You had a choice to make, and you made another bad decision. There's no more rules to break. You made all of your mistakes, yeah. No need to calculate the sum of all your bad decisions.
Come on mate, it's only 8. Start early, finish early. Start early, finish late. I'm already in a state, in a rave over east. The night ain't going west yet. Next thing you know, we're in a cab to the west end. Feeling super, drinking my juice. Doing bumps, getting prang in the back of the Uber. Nearly at the box, still gotta get our tickets though. Wait up, hold on a minute, my phone's ringing bro.
Alright Steve,
Hello mate, what's happening?
having a cheeky one are ya?
Yeah, is Emmy around?
He is mate, but I'm not around later. You sure we don't want to take it up?
And you made another bad decision.
Ну что, стеклопластиковый кузов готов. Будем считать, что Patriot Mk1 родился. Осталось наполнить его содержанием. Салон, электрика, охлаждение и система безопасности. Но это будет в следующем сезоне. Больше технических серий и еще кое-что интересное, что мы приготовили. Но об этом чуточку позже.
What a beautiful world to be anything but alone. I can't find a cure. I'm slowly losing control. How am I supposed to feel when nothing nothing seems real. Who am I supposed to be?